People who live or work in assisted living facilities can start getting vaccinated immediately if pharmacies have enough supply on hand.
A federal pharmacy program is handling that next phase of rollout to Wisconsin's long-term care facilities. As Naomi Coles explains, Wisconsin has been waiting on a program requirement to just move forward.
The state estimates that we need 70,000 doses for that first round at assisted living facilities. And a federal requirement meant that Wisconsin needed all of those before starting. Now that Wisconsin has met that requirement, it won't be long before your loved ones at assisted living facilities will be getting their first dose. Instead of waiting until January 25th, like was planned earlier, pharmacies in that federal program can start right away if they've got the doses.
We've given the direction to CVS and Walgreens to do the entire facility, right? Now that we've got enough vaccine in that system.
But not all nursing home staff want the vaccine. Most residents got the first dose. In fact, more than 90% of them. But Leading Age Wisconsin estimates between 60 and 70% of staff statewide are getting it. Some facilities are as high as 80%, but others as low as a third.
We think an overall vaccination rate for staff in excess of 60% is actually quite good. And we're really happy to hear of those cases where facilities have achieved an 80% or higher rate.
The state says it's hard to know exactly how high or low the rate really is.
We don't know how many staff are in each nursing home, so I don't have further data on that at this point in time beyond the reports I've heard from industry leaders.
For some, misinformation could be at fault.
There was also a fair amount of misinformation that was circulated in various internet websites and things like that we had to overcome.
But there's hope that those who opted out at first will change.
A number of staff who may have missed the chance to be vaccinated in the first trip to by the vaccine clinic, they're stepping forward to say, when they come back, I want to make sure that I'm on the list and I receive the vaccine.
Leading Age Wisconsin estimates that it will take at least 6 weeks before that first round of doses reaches all of Wisconsin's 4,500 assisted living facilities. In reality, he says it could take even longer. Reporting for News 3 Now, I'm Naomi Coles.